Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Awin for effective marketing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start configuring Awin for effective marketing, first, create your Awin account by visiting their website. Fill in the required information to register as an affiliate. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation link and click it to activate your account. After logging in, explore your dashboard to familiarize yourself with its layout and features. Next, navigate to the Advertisers section to find potential partners. Use the search bar to filter advertisers based on your niche or interests. Once you've identified a relevant advertiser, click on their profile to learn more about their program terms. Read through the commission structure, payout options, and any specific promotional rules. If everything looks good, apply to join the advertisers program by clicking the Apply button. Wait for their approval, which may take a few hours to a few days. After gaining approval, visit the Links section on the dashboard to generate your affiliate links. Select the appropriate product or service you want to promote. Customize your links as needed to track specific campaigns or promotions. Once your links are ready, begin promoting them across your preferred channels, such as social media or your website. Monitor your performance regularly by checking the Reports section in your dashboard. Analyze metrics like clicks, conversions, and commissions to understand what works. Adjust your marketing strategies based on these insights to maximize your success. Engage with the Awin community through their forums or support for additional tips and strategies. Continuously refine your approach as you gain experience and data to improve your marketing efforts. Stay updated with Awin's new features and updates to ensure you're leveraging the platform effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.